So, remember last year I came to you and I painted a picture that was very bleak. Let me show you what this looks like now. In 12-13, we started with a beginning balance of $2 million. We were anticipating $13 million of revenues. Our expenditures were going to be 13.1. So we thought we were going to have an ending balance of about $579,000, which is low, but at least it was on the positive side. We did some major cuts. I froze spending in January. We stopped some hiring, what have you. We ended the 12-13 year with an ending balance of $2 million.
Great.
Wow.
So we bring that over. Because the state of the economy is getting better in California, we're getting more revenues this year, that helps. Our expenditures are still a little high if you look at it here. Wait for my next slides because I can explain how we're cutting that one. I was anticipating we'd end this year with a deficit of almost $800,000, but in fact we are anticipating ending this next year with 1.5. And then you carry that out one more year. Again, state revenues are doing quite well. Notice now our expenditures have come down. I was projecting, and I came to you last year saying we looked like we were going to end the 14-15 school year with a $2 million deficit. Of course, my bosses were saying, no, you're not. It appears we will end with a $2.3 million surplus. For the first time in over a decade, we are required by law to have not only deferred maintenance, but also a reserve, 3% of our revenues. This year, for the first time, this district has a balanced budget, has money in the bank for that reserve, and we did not touch, and we do not anticipate touching any more of the loan money. We've gotten ahead of the loan. That's what's happened. So what's happened? Well, you may have noticed last spring I wasn't here much. My days were spent behind closed doors in negotiations. We approached every one of our bargaining units and said, over the next 2 years, we need X number of dollars from you.